Don't do not to do that shit.
That's about 32 right there. 33.
Are you not gonna check?
We'll check later. Listen, we gotta ride. Oh well, it's finally the day that the talarias arrive. There they are. Right about there? That's perfect. Obviously, we didn't buy the authentic talarias from Luna Cycle. We got the Alibaba talarias, and they're pretty legit. They come with this and this, and it just doesn't look cool. We're gonna show you how to take this seat off, take this off, how to take off these front turn signals, and then just how to set it up, basically. First things first, you have to take this front axle off. Before you do anything, pop this off. Okay, so you're gonna pop these guys off a little loose. Good idea, Luke. We're gonna take the battery out first. So we need to open the box. Keys come in this bag. A couple other things that you need, like your stem. And you're gonna need your stem bolts. Stem bolts are these black ones. And the reason you take the battery out is because it's way lighter when you pick it up. It'll save your back. And then there's another one on this side. Get this guy loose. And then now, I'll take this axle out of here. Luke is gonna hold it so it doesn't fall. And then this part's important. There's like a little O-ring, you just wanna, see that? Now it's in. Same thing on this side, you see this O-ring right here. When you pick it up, you have to undo this other strap in the back here. Now we can actually pick it up to put the front wheel on. Excellent. There's a little brake pad blocker thing, you pull that out. You aim your brake disc into the middle between the brake pad. And then we gotta pick this up a little bit and slide this axle back in, so. Okay, perfect. We got this. Tighten this up. Tighten these guys. You can put the stem on. This is what comes in the package. This is your spacer. Throw this at the bottom. It'll raise your bars a little bit. That was a complaint, right? People were saying that their bars were too low. So I think, yeah, that's why you put the spacer on there. Tighten this up a little bit. Get it straight. Then you'll want to tighten up the guys on the side here. Garbage truck is going to come ruin our video quality, but that's all right because they're going to take away all the trash. The garbage man's not happy. Sorry. Try to get them kind of centered, but before you do that, you want to just get these going a little bit. Yeah, now we're going to take off the back part. See how nice that looks? Wow. So we're going to show you how to do that. Yeah, these are, what is this, a 4 Allen? Yeah. Yep, that's a 4. These are 5s or 6s. You got to pop this one off, and this one. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, Luke knows how to do it better than me. Right. Pop all these off. If you don't want to break your taillight, you have to take these off. You gotta take these off here. Oh wait, they turn. So you gotta hold them down too. We have these here that we have to pop off too. 2 more 10s. Now it'll pop off. Oh, no, this one. This is what's holding it. Oh, yeah. You have to take these 4 off now. It's way easier to do this with a friend or 2 instead of by yourself. If you do it by yourself, you're gonna have a bad time.
For the viewers listening who don't have friends, what do you recommend?
Okay, so for the viewers that don't have friends, it's a great opportunity to make some friends, or maybe you know, ask your parents. If you don't have any friends, ask your parents. Just come in here. Let me show you something. You gotta pop in here. You gotta open this up a little bit, and then it's gonna expose all these connectors. You're gonna pop this guy out. Boom, and then boom, 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 boom. What else do we have to loosen?
You just pull that up.
I don't know, I took a page out of your book and use a little
little bit of man strength.
Elbow grease, yeah. Up to you.
Loosen these, it's easier. Even if you have friends, it still might be difficult. Okay, we got it. He's gone. Finally, this monstrosity out of here. You got your brake light and your 2 turns. They're actually pretty cool. Now, tighten up everything that you just loosened. This is my 3rd talaria that I've put together today, so this is the best way to do it. So these 2 go on to those 2, so you just gotta match them up. Put this in here. Now that we got that on, wow, see, look at how much better that looks. And you put this on, with the bolts that we're putting in, you can show where Luke's putting them in. Are they fitting, Luke?
They're fitting.
But the only thing that's left now, basically, is just to take off these turn signals because they're just flopping around here. And the reason that I'm going through all the effort to take them off is because you have to set it up anyway. So if you want to ride this thing, you have to set up your turn signals. You might as well just take them off. So that's not advice. We're in Mexico. We're gonna take some pliers and a screwdriver, and you're gonna open this up here. See this right here? This. Yes, okay. So after you've done that, now you can take off your battery cover, which is right here. Same thing on the other side here. This off right here, your ignition thingy. And then there's some zip ties. Gotta cut that one, you gotta cut this one. And then look, that's your turn signal here, and then you have to do the same on the other side. Cut these 2 zip ties. Yeah, okay. And then now we go here, and you're gonna do the same thing. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. And then now your turn signals are out. Push this back kind of like into here. You have to put like 2 on the left here, and then there's 2 on the right. Make sure 3. Don't forget any cables. I did, and I had to do it twice, and it's annoying. That's good. Let it go. Don't do that.
Yeah, I see it. It's right there.
Where?
Okay.
Nice. Don't do that.
Whatever you do, don't do that.
Put this back on. You don't want those too tight, just a little tight. But drop a like, drop a comment if this is a useful video, or if I should make a video about how I got these. So what we're doing here is we're just taking off this. I mean, this is pretty straightforward. From this part on, you're pretty much done. You don't really got to watch the rest of this video, but we'll show you the rest. Do that. Can you hold that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, jump on.
Yeah.
You want it lower or higher? Okay. So we'll tighten this up. This part's really important, so you got to make sure you get this part right. So look at all these cables here. So you have your green and your red and your green and your red. So you want your red and your red. You look for the 2 arrows, and you still got to be just really gentle. That's all they go to. Now this one, go like that. Okay. Here it's kind of tough because you're like, huh, which one goes where? This one goes to this one. That one's good, and then we just got to put the screen on. So you just open this, slide that over, plug this in. Again, arrows lining up. Boom. This thing, you have to hold, it's like a nut on the back, and if you just stick that thing in there, it's going to drop through the back, and you're going to have a bad time looking for a nut. There's extras in the bag, but it's better if you just do it right. You just have to put the battery back on and pump up the tires.
That's about 32.
That's about 32 right there.
Are you not going to check?
It's fine. I did the same thing on mine. We'll check later. Listen, we got to ride.
A few moments later.
You're going to need a 15 socket for your pegs or stompers or whatever the hell these are called. You're going to put it in the second hole here. Slide the nut on the back. this here, and then you want to whenever you're like touching your battery or doing anything with your battery, you want to make sure your breakers flip to the left, and then when you're ready to ride, you flip this to the right. It's on. Good point. You want to unhook this and make sure that this tube here is open. See, it's hooked now. Unhook it. And this is for your gearbox oil to flow in here, so your gearbox will get starved of oil if you don't do that. I think we're ready to ride, right? Here, are you gonna do the honors? We got the upgraded screen, the upgraded light. It actually looks cool. The tires don't look that bad. Everything looks good. It's so fast. It's ridiculously fast.
Oh my god, this can go 60 miles an hour?
Yes.
Oh my god. I'm so scared.
No, it's fine. You can just like kind of roll and just go on the sidewalk here. Oh man, I hope this isn't one of those videos.
This thing goes so fast. Don't do not to do that shit.
Okay, now let's try sport mode. That is insane. Holy sh! This thing is scary fast.
Really?
Yeah.